Okay. Hi, I'm Morne, an Applications Engineer at S4. The machine behind me here is a Double Hub Knuckle Press for one of our customers in Pretoria. The purpose of the machine is basically the assembly and checking of a Double Knuckle for a motor vehicle. Okay, so the process of the machine is basically the operator will load a knuckle and they will load a dust cover first. Then the operator will press two hands buttons to make sure that he's safe. Then the doors will close, the press will press the dust cover onto the knuckle, and then the doors will open again. The operator will then be able to load the bearing, the circlip and the bearing guide that guides the bearing into the knuckle. A vision check is then done to check if the bearing is loaded the correct way around, and also if the operator remembered to load the circlip. Once that's done, the press will continue and press the bearing and the circlip into the knuckle, and then the last process will be the hub getting pressed into the knuckle to finish the product.